You ever wonder how to get a perfect snow effect for a wedding or a Christmas party or just a stage setup when there's no real snow to be found? Today I'm going to show you how to create the effect using a snow machine and snow fluid, how to set it up, and what to expect when it's running. Let's start with the snow machine itself. This one is from Bonvenon. It's lightweight, portable, and built with a dual pump system for reliability. You just pour in your snow fluid, plug it in, and use a remote control to control the snowfall. You can adjust how much snow it produces from here, from a gentle dusting to a full-blown snowstorm, just by changing the intensity. That's one of the biggest questions people ask. Can you control how much snow it makes? The answer is yes, and it's surprisingly precise. Another common question is it loud? And the short answer is not really. This one is about 70% quieter than most snow machines I've tested. You'll hear a hum, but it's not distracting outdoors. Even indoors, if you've got music going or something, it's not that bad. And for the setup, it couldn't be easier. You just add your fluid, power it on, and hit the remote. You're good to go in seconds. Now for the snow fluid, this part matters more than you might think. We're using Froggy's Flakes long-lasting snow fluid. It's water-based, it's non-irritating, safe around kids and pets and plants. And that's another big question that I see a lot. Is it safe and easy to clean up? Yes, it's safe and it evaporates cleanly without leaving much of a mess. The formula gives you a nice long float about 75 feet before it settles, which helps create that realistic snowfall, both inside and outside. Now, people also ask all the time, how far does the snow blow and what type of area will it cover? And that depends on your setting. This setup will easily cover a small to medium backyard stage, but if you have a larger area, you just run multiple machines. So if you're looking to add falling snow to your holiday decor, party, or setup, this is an easy way. This system is an easy way to make it happen. The setup is simple, the snow looks great, and the cleanup is minimal. I'll drop links below in the description if you want to try this at your next holiday party. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.